case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1998 Supreme Court case Bogan v. Scott Harris, the court focused on the idea that lawmakers at all levels, including local officials, are entitled to immunity from being sued under certain circumstances when their actions fall within the realm of making laws. The case stemmed from a complaint by Janet Scott Harris, who alleged her position was eliminated due to racial animus and retaliation for exercising her First Amendment rights. Scott Harris had been the administrator of the Department of Health and Human Services in Fall River, Massachusetts. She received a complaint about an employee making racial and ethnic slurs and prepared termination charges. However, the employee used political connections and the city council held a hearing, ultimately reducing the punishment. Mayor Daniel Bogan further reduced the punishment. The Court of Appeals affirmed the judgments against the officials, but set aside the verdict against the city. In response, the Supreme Court granted certiorari to decide whether local officials performing legislative functions were entitled to absolute immunity from civil liability. In their decision, the court held that legislative immunity protected local legislators from civil liability when acting within their duties, regardless of intent or motive. They determined that the petitioner's activities were considered legislative, entitling them to immunity from the lawsuit. This immunity ultimately protected officials from personal liability, allowing them to perform their duties without fear of judicial interference.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.